Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the password protection on your Shopify store, making it accessible to customers. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. And to do so, just go to your web browser and type in shopify.com in the search bar. Now after the website appears, click on login, and if you haven't already logged in, just enter your account credentials, or in some cases, create an account if you haven't already created an account. Now, after logging in to Shopify admin dashboard, on the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Here, go here and click on Online Store. Then select Preferences from the drop-down menu here. Click on Preferences. Once you're on the Preferences page, scroll all the way down to Password Protection section. Now the restriction for access to visitors with password can't be disabled unless you pick a plan for Shopify store. And to do so, just click on a plan and choose a plan. You can choose the basic plan, the Shopify plan, the advanced plan, or even the plus plan if you are rich. Now after you choose a plan, select advanced here, and you can select your payment method and enter your payments informations and click on subscribe. Now, once you're on the password protection section, this is where you can control whether your store requires a password. To turn off the password protection, uncheck. Let's go back to preferences. And let's go back to password protection. Now here, uncheck the box next to enable password here. You will uncheck this box next to the restrict access to visitors with password. Here, this will remove the password requirements, allowing anyone to view your store. After you finish modifying, click on the Save button in the top right corner to apply changes. It will be here. Now that password protection is turned off, you can preview your store by visiting your store's URL. It should be publicly accessible, meaning anyone can visit it without any password. You can also add a message to your visitors here. It have to contain maximum 5,000 characters used. And that's it. Your store is now live and open to customers. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.